In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise on the white keys. The right hand is going to have octaves moving up, one white key at a time. We're going to start at middle C. The left hand is going to have classic pentascales on the white keys, moving up one white key at a time, just like the octaves in the right hand. So C's come together, and these will be block octaves, just as I played that. And then the D position, the E position, F, G, A, B, C. When you get here, you're going to reverse the direction of the left hand pentascales. You're going to go from the thumb down to the pinky. And one white key down to the A position, the G position, F position, E, D, C. Remember, these positions are all named by the bottom tone, C, D, E, etc. So here's the whole exercise. Reverse direction. Spread these out a little further. It might be more fun. You might like the sound better. Let's put the pentascales down here. Reverse direction. Notice I'm not adding any time or space as I'm moving from one hand position to the next. It should be all very just regular like that. Once you're on the train is going. There's no hesitations. If you need to go slow, no shame in that. You should start slow. It's actually good for you. Even slower is fine. Making sure that all the notes are legato or smoothly connected, and you're making sure that all the notes are the same volume, that none of your knuckles are collapsing backwards, that everything is rounded, solid, and that your wrists have plenty of flexibility in them. So give that a shot.